Hello again, this is Emre. Today I want to share my first experiences with taking partial profits with you. Now, taking partial profits is a more advanced topic, and it's really important to do it again and again. To practice it again and again. This is the third video, by the way, where I speak about trade management. And because it's really an important topic. The more I apply taking partial profits as part of my trade management, the more I get excited. So in the next minutes, I will show you how I use this concept to reduce the risk to lose money in trading. Here I show you a nice trade I made. It was IDTI on October 30, and you see I put here some lines, and you see one green line and 4 red lines. So the green line is representing the stock price level where I bought this stock, and it's 24.83. the stock price, and it was at 9:39 that day, and I took 100 shares. So just 9 minutes later the stock price went up. It was now at 25.21, and that's this level here. It went up here. So I decided to really sell 50 shares already, and that way, I could book some money on my account already. And as I entered the trade early, now I was not really, let's say, clear if the stock price will continue to move up or if it really will go the other direction. So just 1 minute later, I decided to sell some 20 shares more, and that was still 25.15. So the price was still 25.15. So you see this is this other red line. And so I sold now 70 shares, and I had 30 left. So it was good, of course, because I already made some money, some profits, and I was still in the game with 30 shares. So I had 30 shares left. Now I waited. I observed the chart, and you see here around 25 minutes later. The stock price was a little bit more down. It was 24.99, and that's this red line here you can see. And I decided then really to not risk that and to sell 50 shares more. So you see, as my entry was 24.83, I still made some profits here with this third partial profit I made. And I decided to just hold those 15 shares I had left, and just to see what direction it goes, and I had some signals that it continues to go up. So you can see that it is really 2.5 hours later, the stock price went up to 24.44, and you see now we are already at this point in time, and it is that level 25.44 where I sold the last 15 shares I had. So what you can see here is I really sold partially the 100 shares I bought at the beginning, and so as soon as I've seen that the stock price went up and now it was a little bit as a on a resistance level, I decided really to take some money, and that's a real good thing because yeah, you make some money, I made some money, and at the same time the number of shares I still hold is reduced, right? So I don't have really that much risk as at the beginning. So it is really, as I said at the beginning, it's really a kind of training thing here, to do this again and again and to train it, to really get really good in this. Taking partial profits is a great habit at the same time. You really need and want to take the time to learn more, to understand it more, to improve it. And the more I learn about it and incorporate it into my trading plan, the more confident I get. And Mike Gioia, the founder of the Affinity Trading Institute, talks a lot about this topic. And yes, because it's a great concept, it's an amazing concept. There is even another detail in taking partial profits. I'm working on that as well, and it is to take a trade to riskless. So I'm showing you the chart again, and you remember that the last 15 shares I had, I sold here on this level and made some money on it. And now to take it really to riskless, I did something more from the point from this point on, and you see that the stock price still goes up here. And imagine, how cool and relaxed you are doing a trade that is completely riskless. That's an amazing concept, which they also teach at Affinity Trading Institute. And it's a great thing to let your money work for you. Alright, I hope you liked the information today, and I'm looking forward to have you on my next video again. So till next time, bye bye from Germany.